Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Interesting Channel, where we keep bringing interesting and exciting things related to fact and mysteries. So
What are you waiting for?
In this video, we are going to tell you some shocking, unknown, or some weird facts about World War II, which might possibly you have not heard about. So let's move on the fact number 1. During the World War II, Japan was working on a death ray. Yes, you heard it right. Japan paid almost 1 million yen to a team of scientists that promised they could create a death ray that would use electric power to kill humans standing miles away, drawing on the innovations of Nikola Tesla. The Japanese got as far as prototype that could kill from as far away half a mile, but the target had to stand still for 10 minutes for it to work. Fact number 2. The Nazis came too close to developing plutonium. When the Germans invaded Norway, they took over a factory in the Telemark region that produced heavy water, which was used to create plutonium. Plutonium, the stuff that is used to make nuclear weapons. But before they able to produce anything, a band of 11 Norwegian commandos sabotaged the plant, setting off the explosives in the base without suffering a single casualty on their side.
the meaning of swastika symbol is conducive to well-being and it has been used as a symbol of good fortune in almost every culture in the world. But during the World War II, the swastika symbol has become synonym of anti-Semitism and hate of Nazi army. It is widely agreed that Hitler chose the swastika symbol as the symbol for the Nazi movement.
It is considered as one of the deadliest and the most served battle in the entire World War II. In this battle, the Germany's attempt, with the loss of 10,000 soldiers, to capture the industrial society of Volgograd. Russia, which was a part of USSR, and USSR successfully defended themselves, but the Axis power suffered between 6,50,000 and 8,68,000 casualties. The Soviet Union lost more than 1.1 million people. The Battle of Atlantic ran as long as World War II itself. From the moment the British declared war against Germany in September 1939 through the German surrender in May 1945, almost 6 years, the Battle of the Atlantic has been called the longest, largest, and the most complex naval battle in the history, covering a major part of naval history of World War II. The main reason is that the babies of 1923 were born at an awful time and faced a dismal future. The country they were born in was poor and violent. Between 1914 and 1921, their families had endured 7 years of war and civil war. immediately followed by major famine. Well, according to Mark Harrison, professor at the Department of Economics at the University of Warwick, around two-thirds, exactly 68% of the original 1923 male birth cohort did not survive World War II. He wrote on his book. Japanese pilot Shigenori Nishikechi, among those who bombed Pearl Harbor, crash landed onto the Hawaii. The locals, unaware that the Japanese had just set off the hostilities with the country, but later he had been killed by the locals when they get to know about the war.
When the World War II began in 1939, Her Majesty was just 13-year-old and was known as Princess Elizabeth. When she turned 18, at her own insistence, Princess Elizabeth joined the Auxiliary Territorial Service, where she trained as a truck driver and a car mechanic. She remains the only female member of the royal family to have served in the army. Hitler's private train was named as America, and later its name has been changed to Brandenburg in 1943. The train served as headquarters until the Balkans campaign. Afterwards, the train was not used as for her headquarters. However, Hitler continued to travel on it throughout the war between Berlin, Munich, and other headquarters. Hitler executed 84 of his own generals. Yes, Hitler was also ruthless and cruel in his treatment of his own military fewer than 84 of his own generals.
Thousands of Koreans died in the Hiroshima and Nagasaki during the war. Many Korean people went to both Hiroshima and Nagasaki to work. According to recent estimates, about 20,000 Koreans were killed in Hiroshima and about 2,000 died in Nagasaki. It is estimated that 1 in 7 of the Hiroshima victims was of Korean ancestry.
Coca-Cola was treated as a military necessity. At the outbreak of World War II, Coca-Cola was bottled in 44 countries, including those on both sides of the conflict. But far from devastating the business, the war simply presented a new set of challenges and opportunities for the entire Coca-Cola system.
Confusion among the historians. Most historians agree that World War II began when Germany invaded Poland on September 1st, 1939. Others say it started when Japan invaded Manchuria on September 18, 1931. And some scholars suggest that World War II is actually a continuation of World War I with a break in between.
The deadly Holocaust. The Nazis murdered approximately 12 million people, nearly 6 million of those being Jews killed in the Holocaust. The Holocaust, also known as Shoah, was the genocide of European Jews during the World War II. Between 1941 and 45, Nazi Germany and its collaborators systematically murdered some 6 million Jews across German occupied Europe.
British was also working on a death ray. In 1935, British engineer Robert Watson Watt was working on a death ray that would destroy enemy aircraft using radio waves. This death ray instead evolved into radar or radio detection and ranging.
Unbearable pain of innocent
The
Jews.
unbearable pain of
Many
innocent
Jews were
Jews.
subject to
Many Jews
gruesome
were
medical
subjected to gruesome medical experiments. For example, doctors would bombard the testicles of men and the ovaries of women with X-rays to see the impact of different doses on sterility. Nazi doctors would break bones repeatedly to see how many times it could be done before a bone could not heal. They hit pupils' head with hammers to see what their skull could withstand. The Angel of Death. On 24th May 1943, the extermination camp at Poland, Dr. Joseph Mengele used about 3,000 twins, mostly Romani and Jewish children, for his painful genetic experiment. Only about 200 survived. His experiment included taking one twin's eyeball and attaching it onto the back of other twin's head or changing eye color of children. On 14th July 1941, the Soviets introduced a new weapon, the Katyasu, which could fire 320 rockets in 25 seconds. More than 50 years later, the Katyasu remains an effective weapon. Toilet paper as ration. In World War II, British soldiers got a ration of 3 sheets of toilet paper a day. Americans got 22. The official end of World War II. World War II ended on September 2, 1945, when Japan signed a surrender agreement on the USS Missouri in Tokyo Bay.